This morning we walked 3 miles up to Lone Mountain. It's a little disappointing. No view. Here's the marker saying we're up here though. 3,280 feet. Next mountain we'll be going up and over is Spalding Mountain. We went up and over Spalding Mountain. Now I'm stopping here quickly. This plaque, it commemorates where the Appalachian Trail, the final link was completed. Some sort of storm or strong wind has blown down a lot of these trees. We've got rain in the forecast for today, so we're hoping to get up and over the Crockers before anything materializes.
That may be the last of the blue skies today. We were thinking about setting up camp, and there's a big old rain cloud right there. Hopefully it won't be moving this way. Keep an eye on it. That's Flagstaff Lake over there. We'll be by it tomorrow.
And my computer, and then the cat.